A personal trainer costs $60 to $200 an hour. A nutritionist charges about the same. Most people cannot afford either one on an ongoing basis. In 2026, AI does a genuinely useful version of both jobs for free or close to free. Today, 5 ways to use AI for your health and fitness: building a workout plan, checking food before you buy it, understanding your macros and micros, getting your blood work explained, and how I bring all of it together in one place. I am Mario. This is AI Alpha by Mario. Let us get into it. Number one, building a workout plan. Most workout plans online are generic, written for someone with unlimited gym access and 3 hours a day. That is not most people's life. Tell Claude, build me a 4-week workout plan. My goal is either build muscle, lose fat, or get fitter. I can train 3 times a week or 20 minutes a day. I have access to gym, dumbbells, or no equipment. I'm a beginner or intermediate. Give me specific exercises, sets, reps, and progression for each week. Claude builds a plan around your actual schedule and equipment. Ask it to update every 4 weeks as you progress. Ask it to explain why it picked each exercise. That is what a trainer normally charges for. Number two, checking food and products before you buy them. This is the use case that changed how I shop. Standing in a grocery aisle holding two products. One says low fat, the other says high protein. The label does not tell you which is actually better. Take a photo of the nutrition label, upload it to Claude. Here is the nutrition label for this product. I am trying to lose fat, build muscle, eat higher protein. Is this a good choice for my goals? What should I watch out for? Is there a healthier alternative I should look for instead? Claude reads the actual numbers, sugar content, ingredient order, hidden additives, not marketing language on the box, the actual nutritional reality. Works at restaurants too. Photo of the menu, ask what fits my fitness goals. Number three, understanding your macros and micros. Most people have no idea what their numbers should actually be. Tell Claude, calculate my daily macro targets. I am, then you give it your age, weight, height, and activity level. My goal is to lose fat or build muscle or just be fit. Give me target calories, protein, carbs, and tell me which micronutrients I should pay attention to. Then review a day of meals against your targets. Here's what I ate today, and then you list all your meals. How does this compare to my targets? What am I missing? What should I adjust tomorrow? This is the daily coaching conversation that used to require a paid app subscription. Number four, understanding your blood work. The one I think most people underuse the most. You get your blood work back, a spreadsheet of numbers and abbreviations. Cholesterol, ALT, hemoglobin, A1C. Most people have no idea what any of it means. Upload your results to Claude as a photo or PDF. Here are my recent blood test results. Explain each value in plain English, what it measures and why it matters. Which of these are outside the normal range? What questions should I ask my doctor about my next appointment? Claude walks through every line, what it measures, whether it is in range for your age and sex, and critically, what to actually ask your doctor about. One important note: this does not replace your doctor. It does not diagnose you. It does not prescribe anything. It helps you walk into that appointment actually understanding your own results. 5. Bringing it all together. Here's the actual problem with everything I just showed you. Your workouts are in one app. Your steps are in another. Your fasting window is in a third. Your meals are scattered across photos and memory. By the time you try to see the full picture, you have already given up tracking. This is the exact problem I built my own system around. I use a tool called METAFast, metafast.org, to bring my fasting, my workouts, my diet, and my macros all into one place. Instead of switching between four different apps, I have one dashboard: fasting windows, workout log, macro and micro breakdown, whatever diet structure I am following that month. The reason this matters for everything I just showed you with AI is only as useful as the data you give it. When everything lives in one place, I can pull a clean weekly summary and hand the whole picture to Claude in one prompt. Here's my week: fasting windows, workouts, and macros from MetaFast. What patterns do you notice? What should I adjust next week? That simple prompt only works because the data is not scattered across your apps. It is the difference between a coach guessing and a coach actually seeing your full week. 5 ways to use AI for your health and fitness. A workout plan built around your real schedule. Checking food and products before you buy them, understanding your actual macro and micro targets, getting your blood work explained in plain English, and bringing it all together at metafast.org. None of this replaces a doctor or a real trainer when you need one, but for the day to day decisions, AI is genuinely useful, and it is available to you right now. Are you tracking any of this right now, and what part of your health data is still scattered across too many apps? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one of them. And if you want to go deeper on all of this, I run a community called AI University. Plain English AI every single day. Link is in the description. Subscribe for more. See you in the next one.